Ukrainian 128th and 31st Brigade operators eliminate Russian forces in Vilne Pole. FPV drone operators of the 128th Mountain Assault Brigade neutralized a group of Russian soldiers in the village of Vilne Pole, Donetsk region. The group of Russians entered the settlement intending to raise the Russian flag and film a propaganda video. However, within minutes, they were eliminated. Soldiers from the 15th Mountain Assault Battalion and units of the 31st Mechanized Brigade also participated in neutralizing the enemy. They monitored the movement of enemy infantry and destroyed them using FPV drones. The remaining Russian soldiers, realizing the danger, tried to hide in the ruins of buildings in hopes of escaping. However, thanks to the professional work of Ukrainian defenders, they failed. Using drones equipped with thermal imaging cameras and drop systems, operators of the 15th Battalion were able to detect, identify, and eliminate the Russian soldiers. Later, the Russian flag was destroyed and the Ukrainian flag was raised in its place in the settlement. As of today, no enemy advances have been recorded near this settlement. The enemy continues to attempt assault operations, but they end in failure. The majority of the village is under the control of the Ukrainian Defense Forces. A smaller part remains a so-called gray zone, which can shift from day to day depending on the activity of the units. Militarny previously reported that Russian forces launched a failed offensive near the village of Vilne Pole in the Donetsk region, deploying 3 tanks, 18 infantry fighting vehicles and MTLBs, and 41 motorcycles in the assault. Ukrainian forces responded swiftly and in coordination, successfully fighting off the attack. Operational Command South identified the assaulting unit as Russia's 60th Separate Motorized Rifle Brigade. On March 25th, it was reported that a mechanized enemy convoy operating in the same area was defeated. Meanwhile, Ukraine just crushed a rare Russian armored attack in Belgorod, but behind the lines, a commando rebellion is brewing. While their defensive tactics proved deadly effective against Russian attack forces, an elite Ukrainian officer publicly criticizes clueless leadership over costly offensive operations. The Ukrainian Army's elite 92nd Assault Brigade thwarted a potentially powerful Russian assault along Ukraine's northern border with Russia last week and knocked out an entire company of increasingly rare armored vehicles in the process. The successful defense by one of the Ukrainian Army's best brigades comes amid discontent in another elite Ukrainian brigade, holding the line along the same stretch of the 1,100-kilometer front line. Ukrainian forces excel on the defense, but some critics insist the Ukrainians shouldn't be attacking while they're struggling to fully staff their infantry battalions. On or just before Thursday, the 92nd Assault Brigade's drones detected a large Russian force on the move outside the village of Zhuravlyovka in Russia's Belgorod Oblast, just opposite the border with Ukraine's Kharkiv Oblast. The enemy, using armored vehicles and a significant number of personnel on motorcycles and all-terrain vehicles, decided to stage another meat assault. The brigade, which began the war as a vehicle-heavy mechanized brigade, but reorganized to emphasize its infantry firepower. The 92nd Assault Brigade laid waste to the gathering Russian forces. The equipment and personnel were blown up by mines, hit by artillery, and hotly burned by drones of various types. The brigade claimed analysts counted around 10 knocked out BMP fighting vehicles and tanks, which is a lot of BMPs and tanks at this late stage of the wider war. The assault that the 92nd Assault Brigade broke up on Thursday may be the same assault that the adjacent 58th Motorized Brigade also intercepted in Belgorod around the same time. The 58th Motorized Brigade reported heavy Russian losses, a tank, 8 infantry fighting vehicles, 2 motorcycles, 2 ATVs, and a car were destroyed. An infantry fighting vehicle and 4 ATVs were damaged, leaving a pile of burned scrap metal in the fields. The invaders rolled back to lick their wounds. The 58th Motorized Brigade croaked, of course, except for those who became victims of the adventurism of their own command. Recently, Ukrainian military officials report an increasing concentration of Russian forces near the border with Ukraine's Kharkiv Oblast, which could indicate preparations for intensified offensive operations. Heavy fighting continues in the north of Kharkiv Oblast, particularly around Vovchansk, a border city where Russia initiated an offensive in May 2024. Once home to nearly 17,000 residents, the town has been devastated. Satellite and ground reports indicate 80 to 95% of buildings have been damaged or destroyed.